Hello Raiders. It seems some of us are having a challenge getting our lockers open. So I'm going to make this little video, see if we can help you guys out. So the locker combination is set to a right, left, right sequence. So our first number, right till we get to 49, then left to 9, and then right to 35. But there's really one key thing that you must remember when we're doing this. When we do the 49, we have to circle back around left and pass 49 before we go to 9. I'm going to show that to you right now. So here the locker combination is at 0. We're going to turn it a couple times past 0. All right, and we're going to hit 49. There's our 49. Now we're going to turn left, going past 49. And here we are, we're passing 49 right there until we get to 9, our second number in the combination, okay? Now we're going to turn right until we get to number 35. And we don't need to pass any numbers to get to 35. Just go directly to 35 and then we pull up on the handle. Okay, so the real key there is you must remember to pass your first number before you go to your second. All right, so you guys have a great day.